Hello friends, and welcome to the last video this week on working with pivot tables in Excel. Today I'll be showing you how you can insert a chart to your pivot table data. Now if you like the videos that I keep posting, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new and upcoming videos. So let's get started. Given you have a pivot table such as this, what you're going to do is come over to pivot table analyze, select that, then you scroll down to tools, and then you're going to select pivot chart, and it will give you a bunch of options from which to choose from. So let's just go with this, the clustered column. Click OK. After this, the chart has been embedded. Now you may want to view this data based on some other variables, say the sex. I click on this, it has been dropped here. Let's shift this under legend series, and here you go. Now you can remove these field values using the hide axis field button on chart. However, a simpler method is to just select that and ask it to hide all field buttons on the chart. When you select that, all the other field buttons are hidden. Now you can as well go ahead to make other modifications to the chart, such as removing these grid lines, adding a title to the chart, any other modifications you may have. But that's it for this particular session on how to add a pivot chart to your pivot table. Thank you and happy learning.